Let's get to the bigger picture here of that entire story. Akhilesh Yadav and Mamata Banerjee saying our fight will continue. But what exactly happened in the Supreme Court today that once again reignited this entire debate over EVMs? Well, essentially the Supreme Court put an end to the debate because they rejected all petitions seeking complete verification of votes cast using EVM with VVPATs, saying that clearly, in fact, the plea asked for 100% verification of checking all VVPAT slips. Prime Minister Modi, after the Supreme Court order, has lashed out at the India bloc, saying that this verdict was a tight slap on the face of the opposition, and added that the Supreme Court's pro-EVM ruling was a win for democracy. Prime Minister Modi also has demanded an apology from the India bloc for maligning EVMs and targeting the Election Commission. Now you've had Mamata Banerjee saying that elections, the way they're being conducted in India, the entire world is watching and it's shameful. Now, all of this comes, and let me just highlight for you what the Supreme Court has said. The top court said that it would be wrong to blindly mistrust the EVM system. It also directed that EVM chips be examined by engineers at the request of the candidates. So these EVM chips will be kept sealed, and if a candidate who's come second or third wants a check of the results, wants a recounting in a way, that will be allowed. And there will be a certain amount of time within which they can go ahead and do that.
उनका दिन रात यही काम रहता है, कैसे भी करके ईवीएम हटना चाहिए, ये बटन दबाने वाला खेल बंद होना चाहिए, यही उनका खेल चल रहा है। इंडी गठबंधन के हर नेता ने ईवीएम को लेकर जनता के मन में संदेह पैदा करने का पाप किया है। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अभी 1-2 घंटे पहले ही मतपेटियों को लूटने का इरादा रखने वालों को ऐसा गहरा झटका दिया है, ऐसा गहरा झटका दिया है कि उनके सारे सपने चूर चूर हो गए हैं। आरजेडी कांग्रेस के इंडी गठबंधन को ना देश के संविधान की परवाह है और ना ही लोकतंत्र की परवाह है। ये वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने दशकों तक बैलेट पेपर के बहाने लोगों का, गरीबों का अधिकार छीना।
और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आज निर्णय आया है उसका भी स्वागत करने जैसा है कि इस देश का हर मतदार 150 करोड़ जनता जब मतदान करती है एक मशीन पे, तो उसका विश्वास वो मशीन पे पूरी तरीके से आज उस पे मोहर लगाते हुए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने साफ शब्दों में कहा है ईवीएम मशीन ही करेक्ट मशीन है जिस पे मतदान होता है और आज होगा।
The court has not accepted our demands, but has directed the Election Commission to examine that if barcodes can be put on the ballot on the VVPAT slips, so that the VVPAT slips can be mechanically counted by a counting machine. Also, secondly, they have said that the symbol loading unit, which loads the symbol constituency by constituency, should be sealed and kept available for at least 45 days after the election. Thirdly, they have said that every candidate who comes second or third can make a demand for examining the burnt memory of the EVM, and a technical expert team of the Election Commission will have to examine that, but the cost of that will have to be paid by the candidate. With these directions, the court has disposed of these petitions.
इसने हर पार्टी को जिताया है, जो कंप्लेंट करते हैं उनको भी जिताया है। तो अगर मैं कहूं एक बार, अगर ईवीएम बोल सकती तो क्या कहती? तो शायद ऐसे कहती, जिसने तेरे सर पर तोहमत रखी है मैंने उसके भी घर की लाज रखी है।